Hi, I'm Darren, and tonight I'm in Patong checking out a brand new night market that's opened up straight across from Marlin Plaza. It's Marlin Plaza there right behind me. The market I'm going to check out tonight is called Dragon Market. Seems to be a lot of street food and a bit of shopping. Let's go check it out. It's about 9:30 at night and this market still seems to be pumping. Little fruit stall there, lots of Thai fruits, shakes and stuff. Avocados up there, mangoes. We've got there spring rolls, fries, fish. Yummy looking fried chicken, sawadee khap. Mushrooms and vegetables on sticks. Seafood. Got roti pancakes. That looks rather tasty. Tiny baby pineapple. There's ice cream made to order here. Lots of different flavors. Durian, mango, coconut, Oreo. Sawadee khap. Garlic bread. Chicken. Those ribs look really good. Beers on ice. Lots of live seafood and fresh seafood. Crabs there. All sorts of shellfish, cockles and razorfish. Squid and octopus. Crayfish and prawns. Lots of spots to eat here. Pretty cool little market. It's rather hot. I think I might have to come back for a juice. What juice you have? Mango one? Can't. Yeah, small. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Yes, please. Ice mark. Ron mark. One. Cup. Thank you. Alright, let's try this out. Good. Just what I needed. It's rather warm tonight. Pretty hard to beat mango on a hot Thailand night. Let's continue our journey. More seafood, scallops and sea snails. Lots of noodles. Little souvenir shop there. Soaps and essential oils and stuff. Kids' toys. Thai noodle soup. It's always popular. Chicken feet there, authentic stuff. Potato spirals, 80 baht. Sawadee khap. Mackerel, more grilled vegetables. Sorted stuff on sticks. More fruit shakes. Oh, Oh, yummy salted fish. This stuff is delicious. Ribs and grilled chicken.
Вы репортаж снимаете от этих видео, да?
I don't speak Russian, sorry.
We thought that you are Russian. We saw
No.
you yesterday on the Malin market.
Yes, okay.
And do you make a report? about
Yes,
that?
I do
Can you
YouTube.
report in this Mr. Mean? He's so blessed, so
Yeah?
blessed
Very
in
popular.
money.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah,
And where are you from?
from Australia.
Ah, really? We're from
Okay,
Russia, yeah.
yes, I guessed as much.
Mr. Min, not
Mr. Min?
BBQ.
Yeah?
Bad, but it didn't
Okay, you had the salted fish?
Yes, we tasted almost everything.
Yeah, I love the salted fish. One of the best things in Thailand, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
It's very popular.
Okay, thank you for the feedback. There are reviews. Got their stuff all labelled clearly. Been a long time since I tried crocodile. I think I might have to try one of these. Okay, one crocodile stick please. Thank you. Smells good. 50 baht. Thank you. Hello.
I am superstar.
Yes, you are. What is your name?
So.
So.
Yes.
So the superstar.
Superstar for my wife. Only for my wife.
Only for your wife, yes. And YouTube now. YouTube star. Which is your shop? This one?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah? Oh, and bar as well. Yeah?
You want
Cocktails.
Only pay 50 baht.
Chicken. Guy? Guy Todd?
Yeah, chicken,
Yeah.
squid,
Squid.
fish,
Chim da mai?
dai.
Thank you. Let's have a taste. Yum. อร่อยครับ
อร่อยมาก
อร่อยมากๆ Come and see Seoul for some squid. Thank you.
ๆ You're welcome.
Hello. This is a Thai favorite, khao kha mu, served with rice and egg. Stewed pork. Looks very tasty. I'm going to have to grab one of these. 80 baht by the look. Also got yummy looking steaks there. เท่าไหร่ครับ
89
89 89 baht for the steak.
เอาอะไรคะขาหมู
เอาข้าวขาหมูครับ
ได้ค่ะ
Comes with steamed vegetable, egg, and pork. You've got the rice there.
I give you egg
Give me egg, thank you. And pak. ไม่เอาถุงครับ
ช้อน
ครับ
เอานะ
เอาช้อนครับ
ช้อน
กินเลยครับขอบคุณครับ Snack time is sorted. Crocodile stick there. Bit of pineapple, won't worry about that. Crocodile. Tasty. The crocodile is reasonably moist. Doesn't have a lot of flavour. Not at all chewy though. Cooked to perfection. Then my khao kha mu. That looks good. It's going to get messy if I add the sauces. There's a sweet one there and a salty one. Might save them for home, but I'll give this pork a try. Delicious, just melts in your mouth. Very juicy, sweet, a little salty, nice and porky. Yum. Aroy kap, aroy mak mak.
บอกคนมาซื้อนะคะ อร่อยมาก
Aroy mak mak.
The thing that must try in here.
Yes, khao kha mu, famous in Thailand.
ๆของแม่มณีค่ะ
Thank you.
ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
The menu there, lots of choices and lots of authentic Thai food. Back there they got live music. Down the end here there's more clothes and stuff. Also leatherware, purses too. Herbs and spices packs. Overall, it's a pretty cool little market. So that's a quick look at Dragon Market in Patong. Lots of yummy food here, very friendly people, worth checking out if you're looking for a meal in Patong. Check out my channel for lots more videos. I upload new Thailand food and travel videos every Wednesday. See you next week. Bye.